Hey everyone, welcome to InfoCube. Friends, we all know Apple is one of the most luxurious brands in the world, and it is well known for its high quality features and its high price. We also know that every year Apple launches various quality products with different values. Previous year also they introduced variety of products in their all formats. Like every year, this year also Apple has a lot of things to launch. So in this video, we will talk about the upcoming products which are going to be introduced by Apple. So without wasting any time, let's start. So first, we will talk about iPhones. Friends, just like iPhone 12 series, in this year, we will be seeing the series of iPhone 13. In this series, Apple will introduce 4 models: iPhone 13, iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max with 5.4 and 6.1 and 6.7 inches display. If you talk about structure, this new iPhone may be thicker than the previous version, which will allow a large battery, and the most significant change is expected to be its rear camera. When it comes to color, Apple usually has something up to boost their sales. So in this year, iPhone 13 might be seen in bronze, matte black and orange color. Now we will talk about iPad Pro. Apple does lot of experiment with their iPad. In this year, they are going to launch their brand new iPad Pro. This has been the talk of this time due to numerous reasons. The main reason behind it is being the introduction of M1 MacBook Air processor chip into iPad, transforming it into an unparalleled, high-speed, robust device. The M1 chip, being part of the iPad's hardware, has consequently integrated many features, including 10-hour battery life, enhanced display, and new rear and front cameras. In this year, Apple is launching iMac with vibrant color options, and there will be an upgradation to extremely slender bezels and a 4.5K Retina display. Apart from the structure, new specs were also installed into it, which provides better microphone, 1080p FaceTime HD camera, and a 6-speaker sound system. This time Apple has customized the mouse, keyboard and trackpad, also made the desktop an excellent addition. Now MacBook Pro and MacBook Air. MacBook Pro and MacBook Air, these are the highest selling products of Apple after iPhone. Release of the new MacBook Pro and MacBook Air could extend until the beginning of 2022. But the both models are expected to undergo stunning design and will be slightly slimmer and more lightweight than their previous models. And there will be a upgradations of display also. Now next is Apple Watch. Apple is expected to announce the Watch Series 7, as Apple Watch Series 3, 4, 5 and 6 were announced successively throughout the years. There will be upgradation in the health and fitness features, and the remaining features will be almost same as previous models. The price of this series will be also same. Now, apart from this, Apple will launch a upgraded version of their 4K TV in this year. There will be an upgradation on the color contrasting and the buttons. So guys, these all products are going to be launched this year from Apple. So friend, this was the video. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and thank you.